Hello, welcome to another episode of MK2 Golf Stories. In the last video we discovered the window regulator in my GTI was knackered. Fortunately, it turns out I had a spare in my dad's garage. So let's get it swapped over, eh? Let's do it. So we took out these three nuts the other day. More to take out. Take out this one down here, these two down here, which are regulated. These two up here. Taken one off already. This one. Let's just make sure that that regulator works. So we'll just connect these two wires up to connections here. Just make sure that when we use the switch that it moves. Yeah, it works, so that's good. Let's continue taking this out. Is that the way before you stand up?
Yeah, there's another, I remember right, there's a screw behind here. You've got to pull this over this way.
Right, there's a screw there.
Yeah, over it.
Okay, yep, 10 mil. There we go. It's coming loose now. There we go, there's one. Same as the others, hopefully. There's another one. It's roughly about here.
Oh, it's not working.
There we go. Right.
Right. Out there.
Okay, so.
Oh.
Right, thank you. So let's wedge it up under there. Yeah. So let's check which way, which one's which, it's up and down.
Right, go on, that's the top. That's going down. That's up.
So, blue one wants to go to this wire. Let's loosen this up, we'll try a yellow one. Yeah, slowly. Oh, fucking hell.
Well, it's all that it plays right then.
Yeah, I've got it now.
You're nothing, mate. Full.
Right, there we go. Let that cool down a minute before we touch it.
Hang on. I can't get your window like that. Push your window up from below.
Okay.
What's twisted there? Right. Right. That's it. Where's the...
It's down here, right at the bottom. That's what I'm saying, it needs to go up.
Well, you can drop the window down onto it.
Okay.
Where is it?
Should we get it bolted up the top here first?
Where's the things?
Right, I'm going to get it bolted up here first. Okay.
Yeah.
Right, let's lower the glass down now.
Hang on, find a big thing. Right, there we go. Right.
Push the bottom over. Let's get that in place as well, really, don't we?
Yeah, yeah. Right. Yeah. There you go, just leave them loose.
Right, now these are lined up. Right, there we go, that's one in.
We get them both from down there then. Tighten them both up.
Yeah.
There's one.
I think I've got more actually. That'll be alright. There was some missing to put this.
It's 4 for that. 4 for that. Yes.
That's one thing that would be held the window up.
So was there one missing on this one then?
No, there was 2 of these and one of them.
Oh, weird.
Right, so I definitely got one missing.
You shouldn't be.
Right, let's get this wide on first. Let's get the window up.
Where's that? I've got one over there.
Just check these before I hit them up. Well, it's noisy. Yeah. Right, hang about, it's sticking here. Again. Is it sticking on?
Turn again.
Yeah. It's not the guide.
It's not in the guide. Well, it won't go well that way. You might have to undo the guide to get it in.
Oh god. It's miles out.
Yeah, you might have to loosen it up to get it in.
Take it down. Okay.
It's just 2 nuts. See them?
Oh. Let's take it out of the bloody thing.
What?
Push it up again. We'll have to take it out of the bracket. Stop. Okay. The whole thing shift that way. Where those nuts I gave you? Thank you.
Put one loose, don't put them too tight. Finger tight, will do.
Yeah. So we've got the glass back in the guide rail here. When I tighten all these up, should hopefully go up a bit easier. So there we go, that's the window reg replaced. It now works. Prove it. If it goes back up, you've got to drop a like and give us a subscribe. Yeah, it's a bit slow, but not sure what's going on with that. Anyway, yeah. Please feel free to buy me coffee, or maybe even if you feel like it, support me on Patreon. Thank you for everybody who's been watching, and for all subscribers. I'm quite blown away by it, nearly 1,000 now. Oh, it's crazy. Please continue to share the videos and hit the bell notifications as well. All that other stuff, blah blah blah. Once again, thank you very much. I'll see you in another video.